Now we will see like how we can use SAP Fiori. Like as for end user, you just need to work on Fiori tiles. So how we are going to use that Fiori tiles in that demo server, and how we are going to add a host file, that we will see. So let me take you to SAP screen, SAP GUI. Just log in. Just give your user ID and password. Hit enter. And here I will just mention my T code /n/UI2/FLV. So this is a T code to launch Fiori. So you just give that T code in that command prompt and hit enter. So you will come to this page. Just go to advanced, just click on advanced, click on proceed to S4HANA 2023 sapserver.com. Just click on this. Give your username here. So whatever username you have, whatever user ID you have, just give that user ID here and give your password here. If you want to change your password, you can simply change it from here itself, but right now we are just going to log in. So it will take some time. Okay, so you can see this is Fiori, and you can see here like bank relationship, like FICO related tiles are there, cash operation tiles are there, basic cash operation, liquidity management, all these tiles are there. But in real time, if you are end user, you will have access to whatever tiles you are working. Let's suppose you are creating a PO, you are creating that purchase info record, so you will have access to those tiles only. You will not have access to all these whatever tiles are mentioned here. But as it's a demo server, so like all the tiles are there related to some tiles related to FICO, some tiles related to HCM. So all tiles are there, right? So how we are going to use that SAP Fiori? So what is tile? I'm saying again and again, tile. So whatever you are saying now, like this is a one tile here, this is another tile here, this is another tile here. So these all are tiles. These all are tiles, right? These all are tiles. Okay, so how we can customize, we will see, and how we are going to create a PO, or how we are going to create a purchase info record from that tiles, that we will see. Like how we can use a Fiori, that we will see as an end user, how we are going to use that. But before that, if you are going to use that in your demo server, first you need to configure host file configuration. So how you are going to do a host file configuration? For every server, that host file configuration setup is different. I'm just telling for my server, whatever server I'm using. So if you are using that same server, then you can use that same procedure. So you just need to go to Notepad, just search, just press window key from your keyboard and just press here Notepad. So once that's open, just right click on that and just click on run as administrator. Just give the permission to that, just select yes from here. Okay, so in that you just need to go to file and you just need to go to this open section. Just go to open and here just go to Windows C. Just go to this PC and go to Windows C from here. Go to Windows, here we need to go to System32. So just check System32, here it is. Just click on this System32. Here we just need to go to driver. So you can see here drivers is there. So just click on driver. Here you can see etc. Just go to etc and from here just select all files. Just select from here all files. right? And you can see that host file is there, so just click on this and just open that. And here you just need to add your host file, like this is a host file that I added. So you just need to add it as per your system, whatever server you are using, whatever demo server you are using, you just need to give their IP address, their version, their host file, complete host file you need to add here. And after that just save it. After giving that host file configuration, save from here, you can save from here, okay, like save from here. So once it's saved, what you need to do, you just need to go to this SAP logon, just double click on your server, just give your user ID and password. So just hit enter and just give your T code here, like /n/FLP. This here it is, /n/UI2/FLP. So this is a T code to launch Fury. So just give this T code, hit enter, and it will take this screen. Okay. Here you just need to, before that one more screen can open, like it's like you just want to go without safety, just select that without safety and you can go, you can proceed. So here I'm just giving my user ID and my password. So this is my user ID and this is my password. So just mention your user ID and password and hit enter. Let me give it again. Just log in, and from there also you can change your password. So that will open, home screen will open from here. Okay. So these all are tiles, whatever roles are assigned to your profile in SAP system, like basis consultant used to assign the roles. Whatever roles are assigned to your profile, your user ID, you can access to those tiles. Okay, these are tiles, we used to say tiles. So these tiles related to bank relationship, if you just go to bank relationship, you can see all tiles related to bank relationship. If you just go to cash operation, you can see tiles related to cash operation. If you just go to basic cash operation, you can see tiles related to that. Liquidity management, tiles related to that liquidity management, bank account application. Mostly these tiles are related to SAP FICO. So FICO end users will have access to those tiles, like they will also don't have all access. Like let's suppose I am an end user. So whatever task I am doing, I will have access to those tiles only. I will not have a complete access of the tiles. In that deposits, you can see some another tiles are there, like for HCM, these tiles are related to HCM. For some manager, these just required, so they can just use these tiles. Okay. So from here we can see these tiles. Okay. So these all are tiles available. You can go and you can do that. If I just want to go to purchase order, because it's related to SAP MM, you can just go and you can just create your purchase order. You can create purchase order from here. You can manage that purchase order from here. So different tiles, these are the set of tiles. If you just want to maintain RFQ, you can maintain from here. If you want to manage source list, you can manage source list from here. Okay, if you want to create a RFQ, request for quotation, you can do it from here. So we will see that one by one. If you want to create a purchase info record, you can create from here itself. Okay, you can display purchase info record. So whatever you are doing in SAP GUI with the help of T codes, you can do that by just using these tiles. You can just perform all that transaction with the help of these tiles, right? If you want to do mass change, a T code to do that is mass, that also you can do that. If you want to do purchase requisition, So here, from here you can manage purchase requisition, from here you can create a purchase requisition. That all we can do from here, right? And you just need to go here, you can see your profile from here, and whatever changes you just want to make, you can make from here itself. So if you want to see recent activities, if you just click on recent activities, you can see your recent activities. Like 1 hour ago you just create a purchase info record, and I just created 1 hour ago manage preferred supplier list. That all I just created 1 hour before. So that we can see here. Okay, and in that you can see recent activities, you can see frequently used app, frequently used tiles. So just go to that frequently used tiles, and you can see, you can easily see whatever tiles are used frequently. Like create purchase info record I have used, create purchase order I have used, those tiles I have used, right? Then this option is app finder. If you want to find some app, like you are not able to see that, if you just want to find that, you can go from here and you can find. So let's suppose you just want to see purchasing related or master data related, you just want to see the tiles, you can see from here. If you want to see display material, you can see from here. Okay, and this is important. So from here you can pin, you can add tiles to your home screen. Let's suppose I just want to create a new group like SAP MM, SAP MM, or SAP MM end user, let's suppose. So you can create, and you can just pin that to this group. Okay, so you can select from here and you can just add to that. If you want to add, you just want to pin that to my home, you can also pin that to my home also. Okay, so like that you can pin that in your home screen if you want to see those tiles, and you can find simply your tiles from here. So let's suppose I just want to use this tile, display material. So I will just go to that, and I can see that material, like MM03 is a T code that we have seen to display material. But if I want to see with the help of this tile, that also I can do. I will just give my material number here, and I will continue to that, and I can see like views are coming here. Let's suppose I just want to see these views: basic data 1, purchasing, accounting 1, general plant data storage 1. I will just mention and I will hit enter, and I will give my plant and storage location here. Okay, and just hit enter. Now I can see this is in a display mode. I can see basic data 1 view, I can see basic data 2 view, I can see purchasing view, each and everything I can see. Look, like basic data, basic unit of measurement for this is each, for this material group is 0, 1, each and everything I can see from here itself. So I can simply create a material master record from here itself, right? This is for plant data storage 1. We can see these all details from here itself, right? So this is how you can do. If I just want to exist from here, I can exist from here. Again, if I just go to profile, and if I just see other features, like we have seen recent activities, we have seen frequently used activities, frequently used tiles, or recently activities. In app finder you can find any app you just want to find, you can find from here itself. In setting, if we just want to make these changes, let's suppose I just want to make that theme, I just want to change that theme, I can change that. Right now theme is SAP morning horizon. So if you want to change theme from here itself, you can change that. Okay, right now this is a theme. If you want to change that theme, you can simply change. Right now I'm not changing any theme. Okay, whatever standard theme is there, I'm using that same theme. But in setting you can make the changes in theme also. In home page, if you want to see all content, you can see all content. Right now I'm seeing all the tiles, all apps, all content because I just selected show all content. If I just want to see like show one group at a time, then like only one group will be seen, like you can see here. So like SAP end user, only these tiles are there. For bank relation, only these tiles are there. In my home, these tiles are there. So that we can change from here itself. In setting, in that home page, you can change, you can select that, and you can save from here, and it will reflect. Then user activities. So if you want to track my recent activities, like you have seen from here, I have seen recently open apps or recent activity. If we are going to uncheck mark this and we are going to save it, then we are not going to able to see our history. And if we just want to clear our history, we can also do that from here itself. So if I just want to clear my history, I can do from here itself. Right? If I just want to make the changes in language, I can make the changes, but I'm keeping that English. If I just want to make the changes in date format, I can make the changes. Right now it's like that Georgian date format, like date, month, year. But if you want to change that, that also you can do from here itself. And if you want to make this time format 24 hours or 12-hour time format, that also you can do from here. If you want to make the changes in time zone, you can do, but right now we are in India, so that's a Asia, Kolkata. So whatever your country is there, it will reflect as per that. If not, you can change from here. Decimal format also you can change from here itself, but I'm not going to change anything. I'm keeping that same. So from here in setting, you can change all these things. Default values. So what's that default values? Whatever default values are there, if you want to change that, you can change from here, but I'm not changing. I'm just putting that standard whatever is there. So I told you like how can you customize each and everything. Let me save it. Just wait a while. Okay, so we can customize from here itself, and we can save that. So you can see your changes were saved. If we just want to edit our home page, we can edit from here. If we just want to remove that from home page, we can remove. If we want to add some another tiles or apps in our home page, we can add. So let me add some another tiles to my home page. Okay, so let me take some tiles related to like display, material, product list. That also I want to see. I will just pin from here, and it will be visible on home page. Again, if I unpin that, that will be removed from home page. Okay, so if you want to see these reports like service spend, how much is spent on service, how much is spent on purchase. If your manager, they just want to see all these reports, they can see from here itself. They can extract all these reports also. So purchasing condition is there. All these related to purchasing. If you want to create a scheduling agreement, you can create from here itself. So I'm just going to pin this in my home, like create purchase order, change purchase order, display purchasing document by supplier, by material. Okay, if I just want to pin that on my home page, print purchase order, that also I can do. So if I just want to make that purchase requisition, whatever apps I just want to put on home screen, I can put simply by just pin that. So create purchase requisition, just pin from here. Create purchase order, why purchase requisition, that also I can pin. If I want to display purchase requisition, I can pin that. Okay, if I just want to pin that purchase info record, I can pin from here. So that all done by basis. Okay, you just need to add all these tiles, you just need to use these tiles. I'm just telling you how you can just add those tiles to home screen, so that you have some basic idea on that. Okay, if you want to pin this tile also, I will just, if we just want to pin that also, we can pin. Okay, now if I will just go back now to that home screen. Okay, so one group at a time. Okay, okay, so you can see, like in my home screen, all these apps just came, like display material, create purchase order, whatever I have pinned, all just came to my home screen. So let's suppose I just want to create a PO. So I will just go to this tile as an end user, and I will simply create a PO from here. How I'm going to do that? Simply I will give my supplier number. So let me check my supplier number that I have created. Okay. So any supplier, if I just want to mention, I will just mention. So let me take this supplier number. Okay, all these details will be provided to you as an end user. You need not to create that master data or supplier. You need not to create. Company will provide you, like consultant, MDM consultant mostly are going to create that. If you are end user, you just need to give all these details. So here supplier number, in org data we are going to mention our purchase org, purchase group, company code, material. So whatever your material number is there, just give your material number, quantity, net price, currency, check, and save it. Okay, so like that we can create a PO. Okay, that PO is created. So let me give that again. Go to org data, give your purchase org, give your purchase group, company code, we will just mention our material number. So this is mat01, this is my material number. You can just give your material number, your quantity, your price, and your currency, whatever it is. Okay, just check from here. Purchase order still contain faulty items, enter plant. So we just need to enter plant also. So same like in GUI we have created a PO, same like that we just need to click. Okay, and we need to check and we need to proceed with that. So just check. Right now it's error free, and I can save from here itself. Now you can see PO is created. You can simply see from here PO is created. So like that you can create purchase order or purchase requisition. Let me show you. Like we have created that purchase order. Okay, if I just want to create a purchase requisition, so I will just go this tile or app, you can say, usually we used to say them tiles. So I can create a purchase requisition from here itself. How I'm going to create? Simply, if I just want to mention header, I can mention it here. I will just simply give my material number, quantity, unit of measurement, plant, check, enter purchasing group. Okay, let me give my purchasing group from here, hit enter. So whatever error or warning is there, it will just display, like it happens in that GUI also, same like that it will show. So it's asking like, can delivery date be met? Yes, it's just a warning, we can ignore that, or else we can change the delivery date from here itself. So let me take any delivery date, save it. You can see purchase requisition is created. This purchase requisition is created. Like that, I can also create purchase info record. I can print purchase order. I can create a purchase info record. We can also create a purchase order with respect to RFQ. There is a separate tile for that also. We just need to give our purchase group, we just need to give all these details, and we can easily create a purchase order with respect to purchase requisition, right? If I want to create a purchase info record, I will just simply go to that related tile, and I will simply mention all these details like supplier number, material, purchase org, whatever it is, plant. Okay, and we can create any types of purchase info record, like standard purchase info record, or subcontracting purchase info record, pipeline purchase info record, or consignment purchase info record. We are going to select that checkbox, and we can simply create that purchase info record related to that info category. Like if we want to create for standard, we are going to select standard. If we are going to create subcontracting, we are going to create subcontracting. If we are going to select pipeline, consignment, we are going to select from here itself, right? Now let me just hit enter, and it will take me to that details. Let me give all these details, like whatever is mandatory, I am giving those details, like delivery date, standard quantity, net price, purchase group. Hit enter and give all these details, hit enter, and let me save it. So I just created purchase info record also. So like that, we can utilize these tiles, and we can easily create anything. These are just our tiles, and how you can just configure that, I have explained that also to you. You can simply display material if you want to display material, if you want to display purchase requisition, whatever related tiles you just want to use, you can use. And mostly end users are going to use these tiles, so they are going to use these tiles as per their role. Whatever role is assigned to them, they are using those tiles only, right? If I want to see all my purchasing document as per supplier, I can see. I will just give my supplier number here, and I will just execute from here. You can see these POs are there for that supplier number. These many POs are there. We can track, we can see. Okay, this is PO number, this is quantity, this is net price, this is currency. Each and everything is there. If you want to print directly, you can print from here. Okay, you can directly print from here. So this is how we can use that Fiori. Okay. So if you like this video, if you like our efforts, please like this video and share in your SAP circle. And one more thing, if you want to enroll in full course, in full SAP MM consultant course, or another like SAP FICO course, or SAP SD course, or SAP ABAP course, you can find the link in description box. I have attached the link. You can simply go to our LMS, like recording sessions, like beautifully trainers have, working professionals and trainers have made a video, and you can check out first 3 videos. These are totally free of cost. You can check out first 3-4 videos. If you like, then you can purchase that course. That's at very reasonable cost. It's available, and certification is also there, and interview questions is also there, configurational notes are also there. Each and everything is documented in best form. You can see, you can check out, just go and check out, and if you want to purchase from there, you can purchase. So thank you guys, thanks a lot for staying up to last. Thank you. Just share with your SAP circle, as sharing is a caring. So thank you guys, thanks a lot. May God bless you all.